Every new day is another chance to change your life. Good morning, students, and welcome to your English Literature Class 5. I hope you all are safe and studying for your annual examination. Today, we shall have a revision class for your English Literature. Here is the question paper pattern. First, choose the correct answer from the following. 5 marks. Read the sentences and answer the following question. 9 marks. Complete the poem. 3 marks. Answer the following questions in 2 to 3 sentences. 10 marks. Give the meaning for 4 marks. Fill in the blanks with correct verbs from the brackets. 3 marks. Make complete words from these words. 4 marks. Fill in the blanks with since or for. 4 marks. Write a rhyming word for each of the following words. 4 marks. Match the idioms with the meaning. So I have given you the question paper pattern, and here is some revision part I have given you. I have not given everything, only the question part. Choose the correct answer and the poem. Remaining all grammar you have to study from the textbook. Choose the correct answers from the following. What or whom does the poet refer to as sweet and small? The lamb, the boy, the nightingale, or the girl? Next, whom did Doctor send for one of the pickaxes left behind by the pirates? Jim, Grey, Gun, or Silver? Manu and Nana were relatives, neighbors, siblings, friends. The Jallianwala Bagh took place on 13th April 1919, 13 May 1912, 13 April 1916, 19 April 1919. After Manu's mother died, her father took her to Jhansi, Varanasi, Bithura, or Delhi. What does the poet of the poem Spring want to do? Play with a little boy? Look at birds in the sky? Play the flute? Or kiss the lamb's face? Jim thought that Silver was brave because Silver was heavily armed, did not fire first, stood calmly alone against the other men, supported himself on a crutch. 8th one. Jawaharlal Nehru returned to India in 1910, 1912, 1916 or 1920. Nana was the son of Baji Rao, the king of Jhansi, the courtier of Baji Rao, or the son of Moroppan Tambe. Answer these sentences and answer the following questions. Read the sentences and answer the following questions it should be. You haven't injured the fish, have you? Who said these words and to whom? What made the speaker say these words? What did they see when the listener got up? Second one, but what about the clothing and this great pile of ropes and ladders? Who will take them? Who asked this question and to whom? What was being discussed just before the speaker's question? How did the listener respond to the speaker's question? Third one, if I'm not so large as you, you are not so small as I. Who said these words? To whom were these words said? From which poem is the sentence taken? I can just see a curving tunnel towards the right. We will have a look tomorrow. Who spoke these words? Whose question was the speaker answering? Where were they at this time? It was 16 years old ago that I caught him just before the bridge with a minnow. Who spoke these words? Whom did the speaker refer to by him? Who came in after the speaker left? Here, next we have complete the poem. Complete the poem. For memorization, you have the poem Nature is What We See, the first and the second paragraph. I shall read to you. You have to by heart both the paragraphs. Okay, students? Nature is what we see. The hill, the afternoon, squirrel, eclipse and bumblebee. Nay, nature in heaven. Nature is heaven. Nature is what we hear. The bobolink, the sea, thunder, the cricket. Nay, nature is harmony. So these two paragraphs you have to study for your examination. Next comes the answer the following questions in 2 or 3 sentences. This is 10 marks and 5 questions will be given. You have to attempt all the 5 questions. Who was Morapan Tambe? Why was he happy? Why were the boys worried when Nalia wanted to get Kunki? How does the poet describe the moon in the first stanza? Write in your own words. In what way was Ben Gunn's role important in the story? Where was the trout and why did it fascinate George and the narrator? In what way is the story about the trout a fishy story? Which season does the poet associate with the new year? What did the boys see when Jaunty switched on the torch? Why did Rani Lakshmi Bai and Gangadhar Rao adopt a child? What qualities do you see in Nana Sahib? What happened to Alex when he looked into the crater before the descent began? Name 2 educational institutions in England where Jawaharlal Nehru studies. The meanings: nay, no, chimney, crater, spear, the world, hacked at, cut, roughly, frayed look, worn out look, regal state, royal manner, glance, quick look, buccaneers, pirates, musket, a rifle, like a gun, wretch, a wicked person, meekly, timidly, trout, a large freshwater fish, carrier, potter, dale, valley, merrily, joyfully. Students, I haven't given you the grammar part because you have to study everything whatever I've given you in the question paper pattern. Okay, study the grammar what I've given, like the rhyming words, conjunctions. It is there in your textbook. Refer it from your textbook, study and focus on this. Focus on the revision given to you. Don't depend on the revision given. You have to study everything from the textbook. Be like the flowers that gives fragrance even to the hand that crushes it. I repeat, be like the flowers that gives its fragrance even to the hand that crushes it. Thank you, students. If you have any doubt, you can call me.